And then we're gonna squeeze just a little bit. I haven't put any top coat yet, okay? So this is a little bit different than usual because we're using our beads on it. So I want to really, you absolutely can cover this to prevent from tarnish. And then also I'm gonna top coat on that as well, so like a double it. So make sure I fill in the gap between the beads. And then fill it in and make sure the gap between them. All the cracks, so then that way it won't not catching a client's clothes, their hair, so you can still enjoy the nails, beautiful designs without worry about catching on this. Seal really well. And now we can coat this one before you cure. And just on the top of all the beads, I try not to touching my flowers. I just want to keep my flowers gonna like look like that. Because if you put the top on the flowers, then it might make it really shiny. However, I'm going to show you tip and trick just in a second. Here's 60 seconds for this one. In the meantime, we're going to close this lids on the cap, the red cap, which will prevent from cloggings and dry for yours. And I'm going to open the other end of the Precision's glue. In the other end is Precision's brush. So if just in case you forget some of beads or you need to add some more beads on it, you can always like touch it up. Or if you're doing just halo along with the cuticles, you can use that brush to use it on the bigger like crystal than just beads. And that one. And okay, so here's a tip and trick. I have the matte top coat right here. Can I get the nails? Yep, just give it to me. So if you, just in case you're doing it and you start seeing it like right here, you see that how shiny it is, and you want your nails to look really nice and matte look. Can you move this nails right, please? Thank you. And you're gonna do it like, just give it a touch right there. Oh, too full. It's okay because it's had a matte top on. Good. It's good that it's matte. It's too full right there. And then if you see any edges that's really shiny to you and you want to get rid of it, you don't want it, just using your matte top coat and touch it. Touch it up so then it doesn't look shiny, because sometimes shiny take away from a three-dimension look of your flowers. And do not like top coat on the top of your flowers. It's going to take it away from beautiful looks like all right, so let's cure that and see how it look after we cure. Hi Norma, thanks so much for tuning in. such a great live tutorial today, ladies. I really appreciate it and grateful for every single of you. And thanks so much for tuning in to the live video tonight. Here's a final look for all the nails. And we have one bonus nails with the 3D flowers. We did all of this painting with pigments. Also, keep in mind you can do any other pigments. I just create the one of the look from the clients I got. And the picture will follow up later. And it's like we're still doing a pigment and a theme of July 4. If anyone's in Canada, I believe it's Independent Days in Canada. It was like July 1st, I think. It's a July 1st if I don't remember, or 2nd. So happy Independent Day. So now you see that it turned out matte right away. You see that it looks cool and it's matte look. So if anyone have any questions regarding to the products and techniques, you can always email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, or you can DM us on both Facebook and Instagram. But then the fastest way to get hold of us is to email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and always someone will respond and contact you back, within 24 hours. And if you need assistance for the order, the products, or any questions regarding to any products, you can always call us at 206-771-5086, or you can text us at your convenience at 206-771-5086. And the sales is extended until July 4th and at 11:59 PST. And so you can just browsing and